Now, Storm Tracker 13 with the area's most powerful HD live Doppler radar.
Well, we made it to Tuesday, so we're getting closer to the weekend, and another morning with a little bit of fog out there, and another afternoon of some very warm conditions that are typical of summer since, yes, we are still in summer, although fall is right around the corner. 60 degrees to start with some fog. The traffic moving along nicely across portions of the Carter Bridge. 79 by noon, 83 by the 5 o'clock hour with a stray shower here or there. Live Doppler radar is dry, but if we look back here right on the edge of your screen, couple little showers now sneaking into portions of the Queen City of Cincinnati, and that's where the warmer conditions are with temperatures near 70 back towards the west. Everyone else around here hovering in the lower 60s and upper 50s this morning underneath the fog. High pressure moves to the south, so that will open the door for a little bit of moisture today to pop off 1 or 2 showers in southern Ohio as well as the mountains of West Virginia. Tomorrow, though, for your Wednesday, your hump day out there, a little bit better chance at seeing a few spotty showers and a couple pop-up variety thunderstorms just as a result of the heat and humidity. No severe weather expected, and most of these storms will probably last about 15 to 30 minutes, so not looking at any washouts. High pressure comes back on Thursday, but still enough moisture left over for a 20 to 30% chance of a very spotty, isolated shower or thunderstorm. And the reason why the pattern is so quiet, of course, is because of that big blue H, but Jose, lurking off the coast, blocks high pressure from really wiggling back towards the west or east too much, and it leaves it just to stay over top of the area. Also, Maria to the south is going to be steered by Jose to the north, as well as that high pressure system, which will be key when that system gets up towards the United States on where it will actually go. Right now, Maria is a Category 5 hurricane per the latest intermediate advisory. They did a revision from the 5 a.m. advisory, which had the winds at 155 miles per hour. Those winds now 160 miles per hour. A 5 mile per hour difference really doesn't mean anything. A Category 4, Category 5 hurricane, very, very dangerous here coming into the U.S. Virgin Islands, which do not need this because they got hit by Irma, and also Puerto Rico likely to take a direct hit of some sort here by the time we get towards Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon. From there, it scurries along the coast of the Dominican Republic and then up into the southern Bahamas as a Category 3 hurricane. Still major, but notice there's a curve away from Florida. I like seeing that curve there because we don't want to see anything again in Florida this year, since it's already been a very busy hurricane season, and because there's a lot of warm water out here, and that's hurricane fuel with water temperatures 80 to 85 degrees. And the model consensus shows, well, still that tightening trend here of all the models coming together on that curve. We do have that one outlier, so we left the red zone in here for you to monitor really over the next 2 to 5 days. Once the storm gets up to Puerto Rico, I think we'll have a better clue of where this thing is going. But Puerto Rico right here in the crosshairs early in the morning on Wednesday, that deep shade of orange and yellow. Very, very strong hurricane coming on through into the Turks and Caicos and eventually the Bahamas after that as we get towards early Saturday morning. Not good news for many of those folks down there in the islands already trying to recover from Irma, now going to deal with it once again. Your 7-day forecast around here, low to middle 80s on both your Tuesday and Wednesday. As a result of the extra cloud cover, that's what you'll see out there today. If you don't see the showers, you'll see more in the way of those clouds, and yes, some filter breaks of sunshine and a little bit more humidity. We get to fall though on Friday, which arrives at 4:30 in the afternoon, and it's near 90 degrees on the temperature. That's crazy for this time of year, but not uncommon. And we keep with the heat into next week.
It's so warm. It really is warm.
Yeah.
Jack was saying he was at a baseball game over the weekend and he was breaking a sweat.
Well, it's baseball weather.
Yeah,
It's baseball weather.
Yeah.
that's good.
Football.
That's good hitting weather, especially for those Indians that keep that streak
Yeah.
going.
Streak going. Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Well, we're talking